Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the cscart pre-order add-on. Let your customers reserve products before launch, pay now or later, and never miss a drop. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Now, let's move to the back end to see how the admin can configure and manage the pre-order add-on. Go to the Add-on section, then open the Developer tab and navigate to Webkul Software Private Limited. Click on it. Here we can see our add-on pre-order. Click on it, then go to Settings. There are three sections: General, Payment Restriction, and Email Template. General. The first option is Pre-order Type, where the admin selects the type of pre-order. There are three types: partial, zero, and full price. When the admin chooses partial price, they must also select the percentage that customers need to pay before the product is back in stock. Next, we have Per User Product Limit, Maximum Pre-order Quantity, Number of days when pre-order will start, Total number of days to keep the product in pre-order state. Next is Configuration. Pre-order out-of-stock product. The admin can enable or disable this setting to automatically put out-of-stock products into pre-order mode. Choose status for pre-order order. Shipping show. Show pre-order to vendor. Show email template to vendor. Convert out-of-stock product to pre-order. This converts all out-of-stock products into pre-order automatically. Payment restriction. From here, the vendor can restrict payment methods when a product is in pre-order state. Email template. The admin can modify the email templates for pre-order reminders or product reminders. Now, let's see how this looks from the customer's perspective. Go to the front end and search for the product. This product is already configured for pre-order. Here we can see the product price, the pre-order price, and the availability date, from when the pre-order starts to when it ends. We can also see the pre-order button instead of the regular Add to Cart button. Click on Pre-order, then proceed with checkout, select a payment method, agree to the terms, and place the order. After completing the order, you will see a message indicating that the product is in backorder state. Click on Order Details to view the product details. The user can also see the remaining amount to be paid once the product is back in stock, as well as the shipping price, which will also be paid later. A confirmation email is also sent to the user. Now let's return to the admin panel and bring the product back in stock. Go to the Product section and open the product. Click on the Pre-order tab. Here you can see this product's pre-order configuration. Go to General, update the product quantity, and bring it back in stock. After this, you will see a message indicating that the email notification has been sent to the customer. The customer is now notified that the product is back in stock. The user can pay the remaining amount using two methods. From the email, by clicking the Buy button, which redirects them to the checkout page. From the product page, by refreshing the page and clicking the Pay Order button. After completing the payment, the customer can view the full order details and will see a pre-order completed message. This smooth experience helps maintain customer trust, improves store sales, and keeps your inventory management effortless. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.